Aloha, my name is Thomas Foti, the General Manager here at the beautiful Westin Moana Surfrider in Waikiki Beach. And we are in the tower wing, which is in the process of being renovated. We're so very excited to give you a little bit of a glimpse of the changes that we're making to this historic property. And here we are in the beautifully transformed tower model room. The vibe that we're creating in our guest rooms is that of modern beach luxury. And one of the aspects of the renovation that I enjoy so very much is our chair and a half, which feels very luxurious, and concurrently you can swivel to enjoy the interior of the room and the beautiful views outside. In the process of transforming the First Lady of Waikiki, it was imperative that we utilize local artwork. The pieces that you see here are reminiscent of the beautiful shoreline that's just beyond this lanai door. Another brilliant new design element in the guest room is this banquette space. It really is built the way people live. I see my son laying on this banquette with all of his devices charged in our charging points, enjoying the new space. Mahalo for taking the time today to learn a little bit about what we have going on in the tower wing and the transformations that are taking place here at the Moana Surfrider. We look forward to showing all of you the transformed product.